our stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a depth 24 inches, and a height we have 35¼ inches tall. Measurement for the bottom shelf will include 55½ inches in length by 16 inches in depth. Please note that the bottom shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference. Thickness of the table, we have 2 inches. Bottom shelf of 1½ inches. Please note that the film covering the stainless steel can be peeled off, and located to the left is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.